Hi, in today's video, I'll be showing you how to create a tree map visualization. The tree map visual is one of my personal favorites. I'll tell you why. So, I'll first create it. You come to the visualizations pane, select the tree map visual, which is right here, and then I will expand this and I will select my sales. I want to see that in my value. Click inside the visual. I'll select my sales. Always remember, before selecting a field, click inside the visual. Or what happens is, if I have clicked outside and I select one of the fields, then it'll give me something else. I don't want that. I don't want the different visual. I'll remove that from here, the three dots, more options, click that, remove. So click inside, always remember that. Very important thing to remember. Now, along with my sales, I want my region. Along with my region, I want my shipping modes. So now just have a look at this. As I'm decreasing or increasing the size, each of the block automatically shifts its shape. You see that? It's automatically readjusting. Now if I had to do this with a pie chart, it would not have been possible. So let's say I'll select this visualization, I'll press Ctrl C and Ctrl V. I'll drag it to the right side. I will decrease the size a little, and I will now, since I have already selected this visual and I click on the pie chart visual, which is right here, it will automatically change it to pie chart. So now see, when I decrease the size or when I increase the size of the pie and the sections within the pie remains the same. But look at the flexibility that you have with the tree map. When I increase the size or I decrease the size, I can the visualization, I don't have to do anything. The visualization automatically readjusts the shape. Thank you. Hope you learned something new today.